With its amazing versatility, Microsoft Excel often ends up being the go-to program for running reports and managing large amounts of data. In this, our third and final part of a three-part series on Excel tips and tricks, we're helping to quell the problem where sometimes our spreadsheets grow so large that finding exactly what we want when we want it can be a bit of a chore. Luckily, one of Excel's biggest strengths is in helping you to quickly organize and filter out even tremendously large amounts of data. And in this week's ITech Insights, I'll show you how to do it. I am Jeff Clark, technical consultant with pics-itech, and it's time for another episode of ITech Insights. One of the things that I commonly use Excel for is viewing and managing reports. In this report, you can see that I've got a client list containing information such as the computers within their organization, the operating system they're running, purchase dates, etc. The problem is, as you can see, this list is huge, and without having some way of filtering this information, this report is almost useless to me. But this is where one of my favorite features of Excel comes into play: the filter tool. To get started, the first thing you need to do is to select the entire header row that contains the title of the data you're trying to filter. Next, click on the Data tab and select the Filter button. When I click on the Filter button, I now have a small drop-down arrow in each header cell. To sort by any of the columns, I click the drop-down arrow in the column I want to filter by and choose my filter criteria. Let's say, for example, I want to filter out which of our clients' computers are currently running Windows XP. To do this, I simply click on the drop-down arrow next to Operating System, uncheck the box that says Select All, and instead check the box next to what I want to filter by. In this case, I'll scroll down and choose Microsoft Windows XP Professional. I can also see that there are some computers which are running XP Home, so I'll check off that box as well. Then click OK. Alternately, I could have just typed the word XP in the search bar, and I would have gotten the same results. I now have a list of only the computers which are running Windows XP. But even this list is a bit large. If I want, I can drill down even further by just checking the box next to a particular client or multiple clients. If I want my spreadsheet to go back to showing all entries, I just go to the top of the page and click on Clear. This will reset all the search filters I'd put in before. The filter tool also has some intelligent filtering options built right in. Let's say I want to see which computers were purchased this year. When I click on the drop-down next to Purchased, instead of checking or unchecking boxes, I can choose Data Filters. From here, I can select from a number of different search options. Notice, these options are all related to dates because Excel automatically detected that this was the format of the cells in this column. The Filter tool has a bunch of other little features that I encourage you to explore further on your own. The filter tool has quickly become one of my favorite tools in Microsoft Excel, and learning to use this filter button can really improve your efficiency when working in this amazing program, especially if you have large amounts of data to work with. If you've missed either of our other first two videos in this three-part series on Excel tips and tricks, I really encourage you to go back and watch them, and then give us your feedback. If you've got any topics that you'd like for us to cover, or any particularly great tools that you think our viewers should know about, please reach out to us. You can send us an email at insights@pics-itech.com or visit our website at pics-itech.com/insights, from which you can fan us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, link with us on LinkedIn, and see all of the other great technical tips that we provide. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, this is Jeff Clark with pics-itech, and that's another episode of ITech Insights in the can.